All right, so we're going to add the About Us page because I want to show you how to optimize the SEO for the site. So we're going to add it here. We are going to first add image. Sorry. First, we're going to, okay, here, add an image. And let's see. Okay, this is not good. So I'm going to delete this image. I'm going to add as a background. Okay, so delete. Okay, going to add this image here. So I'm going to click the 6 dots here. I'm going to go to style, click in the classic, and I'm going to add, let's see. Let me grab a photo here from another. Hmm. Uh, okay, let me do this one. Let's see how we do. Okay, so this has to be a little bigger. So let's go to the layout. All right, so update. So here is a nice, oh, actually that's not the picture that I want, but having a hard time finding a nice picture. Don't want to just wait. Let's see. Clap accreditation maybe. Let's go try this one. Make sure that you have all your photos. Use alt text for the photos. I'm going to delete this one, so okay. Center. Okay, so let's go leave this like that. Okay, we don't want to waste time in that. Okay, so this will be about, right? So okay, so here I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna grab a heading just like I did, and about us, about Ula Consulting. All right, so you guys know that. Let's go change the color. Let's see if let's see, date, maybe it's too dark. Okay, great, middle. Typography is Georgia, maybe Georgia. Okay, 40 maybe. All right, maybe medium. Update, and then in the styles here, padding margin 50. A little more. Okay, so we'll change it later. Okay, so that's good. So now we're going to put the text. So I have my text here. So I need a header and then I need text. So here in the bottom, you can add it to this or you can create a new one. Let's go create a new one. And I'm going to grab a header. And I'm going to do this only once and then I'm going to copy paste because I don't want to be doing this and let it go. Okay, so the first here is, let's see, about ULA Consulting, copy. Then the color is always this color here. We got the hashtag update. And for the typography is Georgia. And let's see, 30 maybe? Yes, 30. And for this, let's go and grab this paragraph here. And the rest is going to be easy. I don't have to do none of the configuration anymore. So here, I'm gonna copy this here. All right, great style. Okay, for the color is copy. And for the text is we're going to use Montserrat. It's so hard to find that Montserrat. Oh, Montserrat. And then how about 20? A little less, maybe 50. No, let's see. No, too dark. 400 and okay. So it's going to be 30 for this, I believe. Uh, 30 and 15 for this one. Okay, so great. So I actually don't want to kind of have to configure all over again. Let me see what is next. So I have our story and this. I'm going to copy here our story, copy. I'm going to go here and I'm going to right click on the button and set duplicate. And now I'm going to grab this and put this in the bottom and just put my story date. Now I'm going to go and grab that founders in a new arena and I'm going to copy up to here. All right. And I don't want to have to, format this again. So I'm going to grab it and put this in the bottom and I'm going to delete this and copy there. So they'll be formatted for me already. Yes. And then the next one is our mission. We can add photos and more stuff, but for the purpose of this, I just want to show you how to do this fast. And then I'm going to do some other formatting here because I don't want it. You know, usually that's what I do for the when I paste my Control C. When I paste my I actually I create a template and then I keep reusing it, so I don't have to do this all over all the time. That's our mission. All right. So for the next ones, how much I have left? Let's see. So it's not what choosing else. So you should actually okay. So here I'm going to delete all of this, update, and this is our services. So copy and delete this. Make sure it's like that. And here I'm going to change this to this services, and I'm going to go to this text here with specialized search engine automation SEO. I'm going to bold this social media marketing budgeting. Let me see what is that here. Okay, so web email development, email marketing. Design. Our team is going to be heading 4 maybe. Control Z. No, I should have put it in another uh, box while choosing us. I just don't want it to do all over. It'll take too long. That's not the point of it. Update. And then the last one is, what is it? Contact information. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this because we have a page already. This is doesn't look that great, but that's not the point. So you have to do block by block, put a little picture, kind of use templates if you can to make this more visually appealing. All right. So, okay, we're going to go to the back. We have a page now. However, here, once you add this, you want the search engine to actually find you. So let's go and add a plugin. And we are going to add new plugin. Gonna add Yoast. Let's see if we can find it. There you go. So we're going to add this. And now you're going to see what I meant. So this plugins allows you to actually optimize the search engine for your page. The search engine optimization. So let's go to our pages again. And fun engines, that's fine. Pages, all pages. And then let's go to the About Us, edit. And now you see that you have some other information here. So the first thing we should add is So that's not good. Let's see if we can optimize this. Okay, not it has to be green to be kind of good. Also, about us. So this is good. It's like about us. Meta description. I'm going to go. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT come up with. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use this. And if it's not good, we need to change it. Okay. So not bad. This discovery consultant of premier digital consulting firm dedicated to drive business growth, target data driven insight, personal solutions. Learn about the how experts team pro track records. These are solutions. Uh, no. Uh, you need to try to make this green. Here in the bottom, it says insights. No, not the insights, advanced. So, yes, yes. And here, breadcrumb titles is just you have to put the title of the page here. So it's about us has to go here. So about. And the canonical tag is, if you go to the right, you can see all here. You see the link. We are going to copy that link and add a canonical tag, even though we have not added to the site yet. So here's the canonical tag. We're going to update everything. And now is kind of not bad. Do not allow comments. And now you have optimized the page so the search engine can actually find about us for ULA consulting. So that's a good thing to know. And we see you in the next video.